I'm JD Schmidt with Big Tex Trailers.
And I'm Brant Combs with Ram Trucks. In this video, we're going to talk to you about electronic brake controllers.
The electronic brake controller is a system that tells the brakes on the trailer what to do based on the driver input of the brakes of the tow vehicle. It's important that this be set properly. This is called gain.
Setting the gain is very important. Too much, and the brakes will overwork and potentially lock up. Too little, and they will not provide enough help in stopping the truck and trailer. On this Ram 3500, press the plus or minus button on the trailer brake controller to adjust the gain. You can also compress the paddles on the electronic brake controller to manually engage the trailer brakes.
The gain required will depend on your specific trailer and truck combination. Setting the gain properly will help you tow with confidence.